Stop by and take a look at the 2014 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, universal garage door opener, front bucket seats. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.